Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gigi, and you can see I've got some things. There are things, guys. We've got nail mail today. There's a collection here. The biggest box there on the bottom, my daughter actually bought, and you saw in use in Monday's video. So I will link that up here if you have not watched it. Just go watch it. And anyway, the rest of these things I picked up last week, and we're gonna go ahead and crack into those things right now. So the first thing we're going to look at is from Beauty Gallery. I know it's hard to see that name, but that is what it says. And it's some plasticky sort of paper. I was really thinking it was going to be more cellophane-y, but I'm going to try this anyway and see if it works. I was looking for papers to do those Aurora nails with. They're all the rage right now, and I need to try them. And I thought these were going to be a little stiffer, but they're super soft and bendy and pliable and awesome. So there are going to be things we're going to be able to do with it. We're going to figure out a lot of fun things to play with these with. I've already got a couple of ideas in my head, but I love the colors. I love how they feel. Some of them, like these right here, are very opaque, or not completely opaque, but reasonably opaque. But then we've also got these really sheer ones. And these are the ones I'm going to try to do those Aurora nails with, the very, very sheer ones. The more see-through and jelly-ish the color is, I think, the better. So if you have somebody out there that's doing these nails, let me know who that is so I can look at their work as well. I actually first saw this by the channel Nailcou, Nailcou. She's amazing, and she's the one that turned me on to doing this. So as soon as I saw these, I knew I had to buy them so I could give it a shot. So that's what we're going to try to do, guys, with these particular sheets. I don't want to call them papers because they're not papers. They have not quite a vinyl quality, but not, maybe more vinyl-y than plasticky. So the next up is from IMethod Beauty. I love their foil gel glue, which you guys know. And so when I saw this was on sale last week, I bought it. I do not actually know if the code still works, but it's polygel 50. So, and that's on Amazon. Excuse me. So give it a shot if you want to buy it, even if it's not still on sale. It's a good price. So you get the dual forms, you get a brush. All of this is in this tiny box too. This was it's like $15 regularly. I got it for $7.50 because it was 50% off. I'm rounding up. I think it was like $7.48 or something. It's got a brush, but just like a lot of the things I've been getting lately, it's a little loosey-goosey on the end, and that really does bum me out. You may have noticed this is actually a voiceover. I don't normally do a voiceover, but when I was doing this video, I had the fan on, and I didn't realize how loud it was going to sound. So I'm back in the bathroom. So this is definitely a voiceover. These are the two colors that I picked. There was like 3 choices. We've got the natural pink and the light purple. My daughter wants me to do a set on her with light purple nails, so that's why I chose this. But this natural pink is so pretty. I think I'm gonna do nails on myself, and my other daughter wants a set in this color. So look forward to seeing this on the channel. We are going to be testing out this IMethod Beauty Gel in a big way. I cannot wait to play with it. As I'm laying it down, I'm going to tell you guys it's super smooth and really fun. There was not a ton of stickiness with it. Of course, every polygel is sticky if you don't have the right ratio of either slip solution or alcohol, or if you are one of the nail sisters out there that like the base coat application. If you've got the right ratio, polygel's usually not sticky, but we all have to work through each one to figure out where's the sticky line with this one, right? And I found these to be super fun and easy to play with. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up this purple one while the other one cures. And this color is dreamy. Look at that, look how dreamy it is. Now I am gonna tell you guys, right now, I'm not wearing gloves. And I'm upset about that because I'm trying to always remember, especially when I'm swatching like this, to wear gloves so I don't get polygel on my fingers. I do remember and put them on in just a second, but I should have been more careful and worn gloves. You guys, please wear gloves. These are the two colors together. Tell me that's not dreamy. Hello, let me know in the comment section what you think, which one's your favorite. I love it. Okay, now we're getting to the Saviland, and this is the last thing we're gonna technically unbox. And you'll see what I mean in the moment. If you are a rock star and you stay all the way till the end, that is. So we've got a polygel kit here. I'm just showing you, there's a little sleeve that's really like an instruction sheet slash buy some new stuff from us. Advertisement paper. This is the slip solution. It says on there acrylic though, so I got curious and I'm popping it open so that I can give it a little sniff because I need to know if they really did, because if it's monomer, I don't want it, right? Mainly because I work out of my home, I don't want my house to smell like monomer. But no, it is slip solution, so just because it says one thing doesn't mean it is. We've got some base and top coat here in these cute little bottles. Definitely all of this is like a tester size, and I want to say this is about $30. I tried to find it again, but I can't find it again. It might be sold out right now or something. It's called the red gold set, and I believe it was like $28 to $30. Again, we have a very loosey-goosey lid. That is, it's one of my pet peeves now, you guys. Don't include cheap stuff. I don't need it. I'd rather buy my own brush, guys. So there are 7 colors in this set. They are very small sizes. I can't read it right now. I'll write it on here or something. We're gonna come in first. We're gonna go numerically. So this is RD01 and it's the black. Guys, it's not black. It's really not black. I still have not put those gloves on. And I think right now is when I'm realizing, girl, you should have gloves on. Now I am doing a thin coat on this because it is black, even though it's not fully black. If you go with a thick coat, that is not going to cure. So work thin with the highly pigmented things, although I have their other color polygels and they're much more highly pigmented. This is the gold, which is 02, RD02. Guys, this is a beautiful, rich, ambery gold. I love this gold. I can't tell you how much I think this is just so yummy. So yummy. I need to get more stands and put these on upside down when I do this. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that, you guys. I really am. Because this is ridiculous. I could put them on my stands upside down, right? There's no reason why I can't hold it like that. This is the RD03. And this color is super pretty. Kind of, I wanna say kind of terracotta-y, right? In a deep, rich sort of way. I just, it's delicious. There are gonna be so many people that this is just a gorgeous nude for them if they've got the right undertones and the right skin tone. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous nude. I love all the shades that you can incorporate into the neutral nude family, and that's definitely one of my favorites. Now we're coming to the clear. and the clear is number 4. It's a little stickier than the others, but look how quickly it blends. Now these are at double speed, so, but it's very quick. This is the red color. I'm not sure I call it a true red. It's called magenta? Magenta. It's magenta. Sorry, I'm not gonna say that word again. Sorry. And it's a nice spread. All of these spread out so well. They all work together really nice, or work with the brush really nicely. I bet they are gonna marble together real nice, and I bet there's gonna be certain gemstones that are gonna lend themselves real well to these. I see a lot of ideas in my mind, and I think it's gonna make gorgeous fall nails. So that magenta color is gorgeous. Then we're going to 06, and this one is just a lighter nude color. It has a cooler undertone where the other one was deeper and had a warmer undertone, but I'm really struggling. I'm struggling. I did not have my brush full of alcohol, but I like this color. It would work for like if you wanted to do just straight up tan nails. And this last one is the silver glitter. This is called Wedding Ring, I believe, and I am a huge fan of this. And actually, I'm realizing right now that I swatched these backwards. Up, I'm going to drop it, and right there. I swatched these backwards. Actually, this is number 6, and that lighter nude color was number 7. So, oopsie on me. That was a mistake. And that is the Wedding Ring. These are them all together. Again, the last 2 are out of order, because at this point, I don't realize I've done it wrong. I only just figured it out now. Okay, guys, we've got some transfer foil, and this is super holographic. Certain ones are very oil slicky. Some of them are stripy. Some of them are just solid. They are so pretty. So we're going to pull out our IMethod Beauty foiled glue gel. And, oh my goodness, excuse me. And we're going to start by putting 1 coat of that on all of these. That's gonna cure. I'm gonna cut out 4 different styles of this. Guys, be really, really exact when you lay them down so you know what side is what, because I did make a mistake and have to redo one. So live through my mistake. So I'm just gonna lay this down, and we are gonna rub double time on this, because I really like to give it a good, solid, firm rub with my fingers. And look at that. Even over the glitter, look at how pretty that is. I'm just hitting those sides to make sure everything is covered. I am thrilled with these. These are by Wokota, the same company where we got those stamping plates from. I'll link that video up here for you. There's 2 actually, I'll link them both. Now we're gonna come in. I went from the side on this one, not really smart. Go down the middle if you're going for a full sheet. Just go down the middle at the beginning. I went from the side. That was stupid application. That's my bad. It kind of doesn't matter on this one though, because it's scattered. Look at that. Look. Oh. I can see that on top of so many different colors. Now we've got another one that's also like almost a full flatness all the way across, but not quite. This one's kind of got an oil slick situation. So each one has its own little flavor, but they've all got that cool shifting holographic thing about them where you could use this as a topper for almost anything. Okay, if you are still here, you know you are a rock star. And for my rock stars, I have 2 extra bottles of IMethod Beauty nail foil gel to give away to 2 of you. All you have to do to win this is leave me a comment below letting me know you do want to win this, and a way to contact you. Your Twitter handle or your Instagram handle, some way that I can message you, because I can't message you on YouTube. Boo. So I do want to make sure and let you know, I think anyone who buys this actually will get, if you go through the steps, will get an extra set. But they reached out to me because I commented on one of their things and they sent this over to me. So I'm going to go ahead and just pay it forward and send it out to 2 of you. So you have till Friday of next week to do that. Let me know in the comment section below and be subscribed because I'll be checking. These are all the things we worked with today, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Good luck to everybody who enters, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.